What's up, everybody? Rowdy Patriot here. So yesterday I went to court. Me and the wife went to court with my sister-in-law, with her sister. Anyway, her lawyer hasn't called her back, hasn't returned her texts, nothing, right? It was over when they got pulled over when that pig Bolin illegally pulled him over for the windshield. First of all, in Ohio, it can't be the reason why you pull somebody over a cracked windshield. It can be something that you can ticket them for after a legal pullover. But the whole stop was based off of the cracked windshield. I have him on video saying that. So, anyway, his own body cam, I have it on there. But anyway, her lawyer started out with, Your Honor, my client has asked for me to file a motion to suppress. I haven't had time to put that into the courts, and I feel, though, that just because she can't afford a lawyer doesn't mean that she doesn't deserve proper legal representation. Kudos to you. I'm glad you said that, because I had I told my sister to fire her as soon as she got up to the podium. And that, if she doesn't come and talk to her before court, to fire her ass. Well, the lady didn't even come out and talk to her. So not only did she not, do any of that, return her calls, texting, anything, she literally, hang on, guys. She literally didn't even talk to her prior to court. So yeah, there was all that. And so she goes up there and she goes, Your Honor, I haven't had a chance to even talk to my lawyer, discuss it. She hasn't returned my call. And the lawyer was like, Your Honor, what she's saying is true. I haven't had time. I've been swamped. Is there any way we can do a continuance on this? And the prosecutor's like, well, this is just a minor misdemeanor. Basically. And then the judge was like, you sure you don't want to just plead out to this minor misdemeanor? It carries no jail time. It's just a fine. And my sister-in-law was like, no, absolutely not. I'm not going to say guilty. I did something I didn't do. Or that I didn't, that was wrong for them to even pull me over for, Because they got her for no driver's license, which, regardless of all that, how you feel, I don't believe you should have to have a license to begin with. But, whatever. So yeah, the judge was gonna told her no, that I just want to proceed today with this. And I kind of leaned up in my chair, and leaned back and put my head out into the hallway, and just was like, really, to myself, this was going to be a good one, you know what I mean? Because as soon as you find her guilty, I'm going to file an appeal for her, and on the basis of it being an illegal stop, you know what I mean? The whole, anything after, it doesn't matter if they find 30 pounds of cocaine in her car. That shit's all garbage. It's all just fruit of the forbidden tree. So, pulling her over illegal, finding she was, or pulling her over illegally, finding out she had no driver's license, that's fruit of the forbidden tree. You never knew she didn't have a license if you didn't illegally pull her over. So, that was cool. I was fine with him doing that, you know what I mean? But I think he realized what was going to happen, you know what I mean? Because, I don't think he was scared of nothing or anything like that. Don't get me wrong. I just, he knows who I am, and he knows that I would have pushed, for one, that, and then I would have pushed the ineffective counsel. I think that's what he was thinking was going to happen, because she did have ineffective counsel. This lady didn't even come out prior to court and talk to her. She met with my sister-in-law one time, and that's when they were, when she pled not guilty. and they set it for trial, and hasn't spoke to her since. Then didn't even speak to her prior to going up, being called yesterday. It's insane. Never. I usually at least see, even court appointed. I mean, yeah, granted they usually see you once, and that's right at the court hearing. Besides the first time you meet them when you plead not guilty or whatever. But still, this lady didn't even do that, guys. It was nuts. She didn't file a motion to suppress. None of it. So, he ended up continuing it because she had another driving case where she got pulled over because she's a buffoon that doesn't learn. So she got pulled over for driving again. So he merged them two cases and continued them till next Wednesday for pre-trial. So he basically reset this court hearing, yesterday's court hearing, to be retried again when they go to trial for the other one she's got. And she had the court hearing for that one Friday, tomorrow. So he moved them both till just Wednesday. And then it's pretty much basically started over on the one she was there for yesterday. So whatever, it was confusing. I'm glad Hendry was exonerated and his case was dismissed. Good job, Hendry. You did a great job, man. You did an awesome job, man. So anyways, guys, yeah. And then I tried to speak to Officer Bowen in the hallway. I was just going to be like, hey, man, you can't be pulling people over for a cracked windshield. That's illegal. And he just hand-waved me away when I was like, hey, man, you can't pull it. He just turned away from me and stuck his hand up like a little bitch, like, you're not going there. You know what I mean? One of them type things. He's such an unconstitutional fucking prick. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the dude is a serious unconstitutional prick. So, but yeah, so they're going to be redoing that. But anyways, I've got court in 2 weeks, and for the bullshit felonies, guys, and I've got a GoFundMe up on my Facebook and on my community post, guys. Please go help my daughter. She needs help with her schooling one last time. Last time I got her help, that was for her RN or her LPN license. This is for her RN license, guys. She's got the bill up on her GoFundMe to show everybody where it's going. It'd be greatly appreciated if you guys could help her out. She needs $4,400. Yeah, I know it's a lot, but if everybody donated $1 to her, that's to subscribe to me, she'd be paid. Hell, if everybody dropped a quarter, she'd be paid. You know what I mean? So appreciate it, guys. Go over to the community post and drop a donation for her. I'd appreciate it. But y'all be cool. I have another video to drop here soon. But other than that, everybody stay cool. I'm out. Stay rowdy.